ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. So if you've got some text on your ShareFactory project but you want to delete it, all you need to do is go onto the clip where the text sits and then just find the text and push the square button and go to Edit Overlays. Now in this example we've got 3 different texts because they were all added separately, so we need to delete them separately. And if you use the D-pad on the controller you can scroll between them. The one with the red box is the one we are editing, and if we go on to Delete Text and confirm, that will delete that text. Now again we want to delete another one, push the square button and go to delete text, and then we just confirm, and then for the last one again push the square button, click on delete text and confirm. And that's it, nice and easy how to delete text from your ShareFactory project. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.